meron tayo nakikitang double bottom somewhere here. So nag-breakout na dapat si Bitcoin. The problem is nung nagsasalita na around 11 on this particular candle na to, when he was talking, the market got scared. Binigyan siya ng sunod-sunod na candle bumaba. Pero, well, at least for us now, meron tayo nakikitang double bottom somewhere here. So we're waiting for this neckline to activate. Pero, nagkaroon siya ng breakdown dito, in this particular area. Nung nagkaroon ng confirmation on this particular candle, boom, biglang binaba. When he was talking, bumaba lalo. Bakit kaya, Coach? What did he say? What did he say? So basically, he did not necessarily say that they're not going to decrease interest rates. People were trying to interpret what he was trying to say.